Okay, this is a 1997 Ford F350 with a power stroke 7.3 with 99,573,000 miles. If you are experiencing this problem, watch this. You see it? Okay, now I'm going to shut it off. Now I'm going to hit the key, but I'm not going to start. I'm going to put it on neutral. Now watch this. Now it's normal. No problem or nothing. Put it on park and everything is perfect. Your neutral switch that's connected on the side of your transmission is bad. It's like $45 on Amazon. And that's your problem. If you have any questions, just write me a comment. And remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I'll keep making good videos like this. Thank you.